So here we are in Premiere Pro 2022. And the first thing you might notice is the header bar's changed. Yep, that's right. They've taken away the header bar of the different workspaces and tucked them away to give us a little bit more space and real estate in Premiere Pro. Now, just like every other Adobe application, you'll see them under Window, Workspaces, and I can easily switch between the various workspaces. Another option is over here to the right. You'll see if I click right here, it says Workspace, and I can also click and quickly swap workspaces from this little push down here. And lastly, another option is if I click over here, you'll see not only do I have all of my different workspaces, and I can still, of course, save a new workspace and edit my workspaces. And of course, the original reset to save layout is still here. But now I also have two options. I can either show the workspace as labels, as it is currently, or I can show the workspace as tabs. So you kind of almost get back the interface that we had before, although it's much, much smaller. And I can scroll with my mouse pad left to right to see more of them. And of course, additionally, I can still go ahead and edit this way if I can't really see all of them. As you see, I have quite a long list here. Next up, Quick Export, which is also part of the new header menu here. They have this little button here, Quick Export, where I can click and quickly export. Just choose a location, change the name, and you're good to go. Just press export and you're all set. You can see the settings here listed on the bottom, and everything is kind of, what you see is what you get. There's no options to change as you would if I press Command M or File Export, but you can see that every time I change, it does show me the updated new settings here. I can keep it at high bit, press export, and boom, you'll see I can quickly export out of Premiere Pro 2022. As you all know, as expert users, I can press the tilde key over any window to enlarge it, right? Whatever window I'm over or whichever window is blue highlighted and I press that button, it'll expand that window. Now I have this new option here on the right, which can quickly expand your program manager so you can see your movie in full screen.
I hope you enjoyed this tip of the month from headTrix Training.